This is a counter-flow cooler used in feed production line. It will quickly cool and remove water from pellet feed, reduce the feed temperature to near room temperature, and reduce moisture to 12% to 13%. Make fragile pellets hard for easy storage and transportation. The counter-flow cooler has a small footprint, simple structure, and low power consumption, making it particularly suitable for cooling small pellet materials. Our commonly used cooler models are 1 cubic meter, 1.5 cubic meters, 2.5 cubic meters, and 5 cubic meters, and can also be customized with 7 cubic meters and 10 cubic meters. The production capacity ranges from 1 ton per hour to 20 tons per hour. The main power does not exceed 1.5 kW. The counter-flow cooler mainly includes two parts, the cooling chamber and the body. This is a set of cooling systems that we have assembled. Let us have a detailed understanding of each part. The top of our cooler consists of a hopper and an airlock feeder. Feed enters the cooler from the top and is evenly distributed inside the cooling chamber through a distributing cone. This is a level detector. When internal materials accumulate and touch the level detector, the slide valve type discharge mechanism at the bottom starts to work, and the cooler feed is discharged from the bottom. This is the supporting equipment for the cooler, including pipes, cyclone, airlock, and fan. When the fan is working, air enters vertically from the bottom of the cooler and quickly removes the moisture and temperature from the feed during contact with the materials. The air is discharged through the pipeline. The cyclone is used to settle the dust generated during the cooling process. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email